income consumption curve and Engel curve part 2. In part 1, we learned the technique of deriving Engel curve from income consumption curve for necessary good. It tells that in case of necessary goods, as the income increases from low level to high level, additional increase in income results in less and less purchase of additional quantities of necessary good. Hence, it slopes up and also opens up. In this lesson, we shall obtain the Engel curve for luxury good. Look at figure 1. Good X along the X-axis is luxury. Given the prices of two goods, the consumer is in equilibrium at E1. The consumer's income is 100 rupees. Quantity purchased of good X is 20 units. Price remaining the same when income increases to 200, 300 and 400 rupees. The consumer is in equilibrium at E2, E3 and E4. The curve joining these points is income consumption curve. At each equilibrium points E2, E3 and E4, we can find the quantity at each level of income by moving down to the X-axis. They are 25, 35 and 50 units. We have data relating to income and quantity. Now we shall represent these data in figure 2. Income is measured along the y-axis and the quantity of good X is measured along the x-axis. At E1, the income is 100 rupees and quantity purchased is 20 units. We shall plot this point in figure 2 as A. Corresponding to E2, let us fix point B to represent 200 rupees income and 25 units of good X. Similarly, point C represents 300 rupees income and 35 units of good X. And D depicts 400 rupees income and 50 units of good X. Join points A, B, C and D with the help of a smooth curve. The resultant curve is called Engel curve. The curve slopes up from left to right. It opens down. At the left extreme, its slope is high. As the consumer moves from left to right, its slope decreases. The tendency tells us that the proportion of quantity purchased increases as income increases. According to Engel's law, good X is a luxury good. The curve clearly illustrates this. The income is increasing at a constant rate. The successive increase in income leads to more and more additional purchase of quantity of good X. It means the proportion of purchase of luxury good X keeps on increasing. Okay, we shall meet in part 3 to derive the Engel curve for inferior good.